Ta-da! First time the car has been on the road in about 6 or 7 years. Right, so far we've been in where our shed is. It's kind of like a gated community, and we've been driving the car around and stuff, and it still looks exactly like this. Like, it's literally scaldy as fuck. We're just going to drive the car to KFC. We're going to just go out out the gates here now and head off and see what happens. Flip's offered to be the driver. Preparation for that was, we don't really have a mirror. We put seatbelts in it because that's really important, but we still have the good key. It's pretty funny because a couple of months ago it was in a field. There it is. Less than 2 months ago.
Get this key copied.
Yeah, I should probably copy the key.
Jesus Christ!
I don't even know if we have enough petrol. The gauge doesn't work. Let's go to KFC in a car that was in a fucking bush for about 5 or 6 years. Good thing is the clock works, and the speedo is also broken. You have to check your mirrors.
Check all the mirrors.
We changed the rear pads, but the front pads are still the original pads that were in the car for the last however, and the original discs, which are completely fucked. And these tires have been on the car, I don't know, since it came in from Japan in 2006. Whoa! The speedo is coming alive. We're doing
40-50.
Alright, so here is the actual real world. Now, first roundabout. You actually see what it looks like on the outside. You know that yeah, it probably stands out a little bit. Ta-da! First time the car has been on the road in about 6 or 7 years. We decided to park it over here out of the way. Don't forget to make sure you lock it.
Alright, it's locked.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah.
We just need to bring the key in case anyone tries to steal it. Fucking zinger burrito. The final chip. A hint of lemon. KFC cow, what's going on? Alright, let's go get some petrol so we can drive it back. Here's the key.
Thank you.
Yeah, everything's working again. Yeah! What a wholesome meal! See you later, Kufka.
Pet school. So fast.
See ya. Anything with a reflective material on it is fucking freaking us out so much. Supercharger light. Amazing! Good little car. I know, like, people say that these cars are pretty overrated, and you know, this car was in a field for 6 years, and we haven't really done a whole lot except for just change the oil, the spark plugs, and just like small things. It still has everything. Like, it's the car that we took out of the field, and we drove it to KFC, and it was fine. Like, it's crazy if you think about it. Stay tuned for more updates on the car. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, deep tissue infection apparently.
What started it?
Oh! We're a bunch of cunts. We're bringing the fucking shite machine to a car show for shits and giggles.
It's gonna win.
It's gonna win best show and shine. We're gonna bring it down with a 3-stage polish, and we're gonna really bring this baby back to life. Japfest
2010.
2010, we made it. Ray. Holy shit.
Yeah.
It's just on fire, like. It's mad, isn't it?
Reuben just broke 5th gear in his car because
just broke on its own. There was no clutch kick in 5th gear at 160k. So now we're doing 80k on the motorway to keep her steady now.
Yeah, we're stuck in 4th.
We'll get there.
So we have every other gear except for 5th.
Do you have 5th gear? Okay, so we don't have reverse either.
Reverse is gone.
There's no going backwards today anyway.
No, we're going to Japfest, which is a car show where there's loads of Japanese cars.
Well, we left with 6 gears and now we have 2.
Yeah.
4.
4. Broke. 2 gears already.
Yeah, it's a common thing for the selector fork for 5th and reverse to go snapu. Clutch kicks are common.
We're bringing all these cars, it's funny. Bringing my car, we're bringing this, and that RX-8 with the fucking Cummins engine.
BUS. Belt up safely.
We forgot the polish.
Hey!
Holy fuck, look at that piece of shit. That's fucking terrible.
You got your ignition system.
Oh, yeah. We brought the 8.6 to Japfest just because it's pretty fucking fun. Definitely a show car. Let's polish her up. Brought the 800 grit to give her a good shine for the day. Hoping to win best car of show here now today. I love the contrast, like, you know what I mean? You got your fucking... Oh, slow mo with that one. How are you? It's not really Mondello without fucking...
This is fresh though.
That doesn't... We're on the car.
The car we had to chop was this piece of the firewall here.
Alright,
Just to let the exhaust go back down. Hop in. So it's behind the switch panel.
Yeah.
Press it. There you go.
Hello,
Tarmac. Sit right.
Oh,
sorry.
sorry, a beep noise when I go near it. Alright though. Twin turbo RB21.
This is a twin turbo.
That's the second turbo wrapped in a Twix bag.
The second one, yeah, because that hasn't been unleashed.
Michael!
We're going back over! Twin turbo, straight 6.
So yeah, we won a best retro at Japfest 2017. A lot of hard work. A lot of, like the late nights in the shed with all the lads. I couldn't have done it without any of you. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, man. Cheers, there's some stuff at this.
Alright.
I love eights.
Yeah, so we did Japfest and yeah, a lot of people looked at the car and it looked hilarious. The Vitara strikes again. Best off-road at the show. Size of the fucking screwdriver.
Unreliable Mazda.
Yeah. Jamie's bought the only Honda that broke twice. Kitchen devil.
Pull it straight off of chest.
Oh, I think she's a fixer. Jeez. righty, cunts! Thanks to everybody that's watched the episode. If you're watching on Christmas Day, which is now kind of happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
And yeah.
Hope you're having a lovely day.
And if you're not watching on Christmas Day, it's probably really weird, but we just want to say thanks to everyone that's been watching so far, watching the bullshit. Yeah.